Today I'm gonna discuss about the negative impact or negative sentence. If you want to describe anything in negative, or if you want to be disagree with something, or if you want to describe the negative sentence in your daily life, in your daily communication, how you can describe that and how you can use this type of negative sentence in your daily communication. And if you want to express any negative thinking, negative thoughts, or negative sentence, negative activities, you need to follow some specific format of sentence by which you can successfully and fruitfully you can communicate with others about the negative sentence, about the negative uh, happenings or negative incidents in our daily life. So first, if you want to say the negative incidents happening in present time, you should follow the structure of first will be subject or speaker, then you will use don't or doesn't. Don't or doesn't. Please keep in mind, after subject or after speaker, you will use don't or doesn't, and after that you will use the base form of main verb or present form of main verb. After that you will use object or the listener or the extension part of your speech. So first on will be subject and second on will be supporting verb or auxiliary verb, doesn't or don't. After that you will use base form of main verb, and then you will use object or extension or the listeners. So if you say or if you want to tell any incident or any uh, happenings of present time but negative, you should follow this structure. And if I give you some examples, it will be clear to you. First will be subject. So if you say I don't take rice, or I don't eat fruit. He doesn't take rice, he doesn't eat fruits. He doesn't eat fruits. So when we'll use don't and when we'll use doesn't? If the subject is first person, second person and plural number, first person, second person and plural number, you will use don't. But if the subject is third person singular number, if the subject is third person singular number, you should use doesn't. So if you say my father doesn't go to market, that means this is the negative sentence, and this sentence is happening in present time. That means at present your father doesn't go to market. Maybe he is staying in your house, or maybe he doesn't need to go to market. So you can say my father doesn't go to market, my mother doesn't cook rice, my brother doesn't go to school, my sister doesn't sing a song. If you say the boys don't play in the sun, the girls don't play in the rain, the girls don't go to school, the students don't come to school regularly, the teachers don't neglect their duties. That means these are the happenings of present time, and these are negative sentence. That's why we are using don't and doesn't for our negative expression. If you want to express, or if you want to mention any negative expression happening in present time, you should use don't or doesn't as the supporting verb of negative sentence. And if you want to tell, or if you want to describe the sentence of uh, any any previous activities or any pastime activities, you should use the structure of subject, then didn't, subject, then didn't, and after you will use base form of main verb, and after that you will use object or extension. First you should use subject, then didn't as supporting verb or auxiliary verb, then base form of main verb, after that we will use object or extension. If I give you example, my father didn't visit Kashmir, our family didn't visit Kashmir. So here, all for past tense or past time activities, the negative expressing of our negative impact or negative expression, didn't is only supporting verb. So there is no confusion of using these supporting verb when we will use what are the number of subjects and what are the person of subject, first person, second person, or third person. You don't need to think about this. Just you should use didn't as supporting verb, but your supporting verb will be used after subject. If you say any negative expression, or if you want to express, or if you want to mention any negative sentence of past time activities or previous activities. Last year I didn't go to market. Last year I didn't study well. Last year my brothers didn't study well, that's why they failed. In this way you can say your negative sentence of past time activity. So I hope you have got the idea. If you think that this video lesson was useful and important for you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I would like to thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Let's see again in our next video lesson. Thank you.